Topic 6. My favorite subject. My favorite subject is English because it is interesting and useful in my daily life. I enjoy learning English at school because it helps me communicate with other people and understand the world better. Every day I learn new words, sentences, and ways to speak clearly. In my English class, my teacher explains the lessons step by step. I listen carefully and try to follow along. We practice reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Sometimes we work in groups or play learning games. These activities make the class fun and exciting. I like English because it helps me watch videos, read books, and understand songs in English. I also practice speaking with my friends. At first, I felt shy, but now I feel more confident. I am not afraid to make mistakes because I know mistakes help me learn. After school, I review my lessons and practice every day. I read simple stories and try to speak English at home. I believe that practice is very important for improvement. English is not only a subject, but also a useful skill for my future. It can help me get a good job and communicate with people from different countries. That is why I love learning English so much.